JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and Pearson hobbies. And today we have a video about Olympus batteries, the BLM-1 that fits the E3 and the E5. This battery has batteries inside this casing. They're all linked together by solder. And then you have three contacts. See the three contacts there in the back? Typically, I use two batteries when I shoot with my E3. And I like to have these powered up. So when I go to power them up, I use a double block. These are two chargers, and I put them both on. So I put them both on the charger here, and you have to slide them on like that, and they charge up simultaneously for about 4 to 5 hours. You have to charge these for, and you want to have backup of these batteries. So you charge this setup, and we have another set, another two batteries waiting in their wings when you're out and about, on a photo shoot. So that's what I want to show you. And you just hook it up to one wire like that. Okay. If you have any questions about these batteries, leave them in the comments below. Pretty straightforward. And I hope this information helps you. And when it turns green, you'll see the green spot there. You know your batteries are charged or on the way to be charged. I always time it on my iPhone. I set it for 5 hours, and I set the alarm on the iPhone, and that tells me that I'm charged up for 5 hours. So I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.